Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you an Excel formula that counts the days between two dates. There are many reasons why you might want to calculate the number of days between two dates. But in this video, we'll go further, by also showing you how to check the difference in weeks, months, and years. Start by making a table with 6 columns. We've got a start date, an end date, days, weeks, months, and years. Before adding the formulas, select the start and end cells, then head up to the Home ribbon, and click the drop-down box in the Number section. Now select Short Date from the list. Next, double-click into the first day's cell, and type, equals, B2, minus, A2, then hit Enter. Moving on to the weeks column. Type equals, int, open parentheses, B2, minus, A2, close parentheses, /7. Now hit Enter. Next, go to the months column. Type equals, DATEDIF, open parentheses, A2, comma, B2, comma, quote, M, quote, close parentheses. Then hit Enter. Finally, go to years, and type equals, DATEDIF, open parentheses, A2, comma, B2, comma, quote, Y, quote, close parentheses. Hit Enter to finish. With the formulas done, head over to column A, and enter a start date into A2. Then, set an end date in cell B2. Finally, hit Enter, and you'll see the difference between the two dates, given in days, weeks, months, and years. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.